At Pueblo Bonito Golf and Spa Resorts, your safety and comfort come first. We pride ourselves on not only offering impeccable service, but beautiful accommodations and facilities maintained by rigorous standards of both cleanliness and quality control. Now more than ever, these standards are crucial to ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. We have partnered with Prevarisk, a global leader in hotel consulting. Together we have created our new CARE Pledge program, a comprehensive plan developed in accordance with CDC and WHO guidelines. CARE is an acronym for the key concepts that we believe are integral to ensuring a safe vacation environment: conscientious service, advanced standards, rigorous sanitation, and elevated hygiene. These concepts are integrated into each aspect of the program, which outlines our pledge to you, our valued guests. Our mobile technology will allow guests to shorten interaction and minimize physical contact at the front desk. Luggage will be externally sanitized and guests will pass through a sanitization steam cabin, and infrared digital thermometers will be used to check their temperature. The reception area now features social distancing markers set 2 meters apart. All of our guest shuttles and vans will be sanitized and subject to social distancing guidelines. General sanitization and nebulization of all rooms has been carried out by a certified provider. Additionally, daily room cleaning and housekeeping will be performed with certified sanitization products and will include a strong focus on high-touch areas. Hand sanitizer is now included as part of the in-room amenities. A special procedure has been implemented for receiving and delivering whites at our on-site laundry, hydrop. Sheet and towel washing temperatures have been increased to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Once clean, the hotel linens will be delivered in previously sanitized crates. All public areas have undergone a general sanitization with certified products. All hard surfaces and high touch points will be sanitized constantly. Our maintenance team has increased the frequency with which the air conditioning vents, fans, and coils in rooms and public areas are cleaned and sanitized. The equipment in the fitness areas and the wet areas of the spas will be sanitized after each use. The wet areas will also undergo a deep daily sanitization. Loungers will be cleaned and sanitized daily, as well as after each guest use, will be separated by a distance of 2 meters. For added protection, hand sanitizing stations have been placed in strategic locations of the resorts. A maximum of 2 people will be permitted to ride the elevators at one time. In order to adhere to social distancing guidelines, the seating in our restaurants and bars have been rearranged. Maximum capacities have also been established. All tables will be sanitized constantly with certified cleaning products. To minimize contact and high touch points, all menus have been made available digitally via QR codes and the Pueblo Bonito app. Our staff will continue to adhere to and carry out all Prevarisk and distinctive H measures, including increased standards of hygiene. At the spectacular Quivera Golf Club, we will be sanitizing the golf carts and bags before and after use. Maximum capacities have been established for the reception and practice areas, and intervals between tee times have been increased to 15 minutes. For added safety, we will go 1 golf cart per person. We require that all of our suppliers wear a mask and gloves. All boxes and containers must be sanitized. We have implemented a permanent campaign and training of the entire staff for proper hand washing, disinfection, and social distancing protocols. Sanitization arches have been installed at all staff entrances, through which all staff must pass before their shift and have their temperature checked. The Pueblo Bonito CARE program offers you peace of mind to enjoy our world-class hospitality and our pledge to do so in the safest environment.